This is lecture 0 of a mini course on computational metallurgy. So this is just what you need to check if everything is good for you. And so let us see what you should have in your hands. You should have in your hands chiefly some software, which means Computherm Pandat for the moment, and you should have also full screen, I believe. Yeah, you should have also some papers or databases. Papers, if you have access to Science Direct in your own university, or some sites and some databases if you don't have them. So for this 0 lecture, so just to check if you have everything needed, we will use 2 things. The software, which is there. This is your, because you will download it, your version, your Pandat, Computherm Pandat software. You've been downloading from computherm.com site, and for free you can use up to some months, I believe, for 1 year, and you can use only up to 3 components. So 3 components, it means 3 chemical elements, okay? But this is one point. So if you want to do new calculations, you should do all of them, only limited to 3. But if you want to open something, which is a workspace, we'll just see in a minute, then you can open calculation that someone else has been doing with some, would say, more complete version, okay, of the software. So let us check. We have the software. I assume you have the software. The software is, I believe, very easy to use, as long as I am not a young guy. As you can see, I can manage to use it. And I think it is one of the best to start with CalFAD-based software, so computational metallurgy software. It is not the only one. This is commercial. You have other commercial software. You have other open software as well. I have been working on this software with my students since the last 12 or 15 years. I don't know precisely. But now, what can we do? As I mentioned, we have a couple of papers that they have some data enclosed in their supplementary data. There, one. This is for aluminum, calcium, and magnesium, and by the same journal. We will see. It should be the last issue. I should check, but I believe latest issue is there. Blah 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 blah. Regular articles. March. No, it's not the last issue. It is the previous one. So it is the one of this year, December 2023, and I would like to invite you to have a look to this paper, and which is about those fashionable multi-component and high entropy alloys, which is over there. So this is the second paper that I propose you. Just because this is lecture 0, you should just see that Professor Ben Halstead and Mehdi Nouri, I think it is the correct way of pronouncing, they are co-authors in both papers. And so this is a multi-principal element alloy. So high entropy or Cantor alloy as well. Cantor alloys, we will discuss whether. So here you have also supplementary data. So we have two databases that you can find here in this link. So you should be patient. You should have a look at this one. Should I make it a little bit bigger? So this is what you can see, and you can download those files in TXT format or in TDB format. So you need both of them to work with the with the with the files, but um, we will be able to open. Let me check if it is the right situation. So from there, I would like that you would download this one to your own PC. So aluminum, calcium, magnesium, and also you can download this one as well. Once we have downloaded, then we will expand them. This is it somewhere, and likely once you have extracted them, let us resize the screen. Characters. Yeah. You have those ones, and you will extract them somewhere. It's up to you to extract them. This one and the other one that I have downloaded. This one as well, and we will be able to have two PNDX files, which are both Pandat workspaces. So now, in the place where you have downloaded your and extracted, decompressed your files, you have these two PNDX files. Okay? This is the files that you have, and you should have in your PC. It works only for Windows. If you have other systems, unfortunately, it doesn't work. So now we will open those workspaces. The first one here, aluminum, calcium, magnesium. And then we have opened a collection of files of some calculations I have been doing. With lecture one, I suppose you will do your calculations by using a database your own, using this software. For the moment, we are just on this workspace, and for instance, we can do opening all graphs. So for the moment, I would say we are interested in the previous calculations that I have done. So we have a list of files, binary phase diagrams, like this aluminum magnesium that most of you well know. And also I have inserted some more complex three components diagrams, including, for instance, this liquidus projection. This is one of the workspaces you have been, I hope, opening. Then we will create a new workspace there. And again, we will open the workspace, hoping that you will find the second workspace in the place you have extracted, decompressed your own downloaded databases from my site. Okay. So open all graphs. So we will have more because this is I think a scenery system. If you want, then we will discuss it. Have some more information. We should have a look at the database, the paper, whatever. But this should be done in a while. For the moment, I want to check that you have everything in your head, so you are able to use Pandat for free, of course. Once you have downloaded, and also you should be able to open those files. And for the moment, that's all. Then I will ask you to prepare something like presentation. So because no special presentation for this zero lecture, just it is a very introductory way of checking that everything is fine for you. So for the moment, that's all. Have a nice day. Today is some Saturday, December the 2nd. And for the moment, it's all. I should check if everything is fine also for me, like recording and blah, blah, blah. Goodbye.